Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at compound probability with replacement. Remember that a compound event includes two or more simple events such as flipping a coin and rolling a number cube. With replacement means to put something back or to return it. So let's look at this first one. It says that we have a bag of marbles. There are 4 red, 5 green, 3 purple, 5 black, 3 blue, and 1 pink. And the question is asking, what is the odds of selecting a green marble, and then we're going to replace it, meaning we're going to put it back into the bag, and then selecting a pink marble. So since we are trying to select 2 different marbles, we're going to have 2 different fractions here, and we're going to multiply those together. I want to know the odds of getting a green. So there are 5 green. And recall that the denominator is the total number of marbles. So we need to add up our marbles here to find the total. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 total marbles. So we would make this green fraction 5 over 20. Then replacing it, that means to put the marble back and the total does not change. And then we want to select a pink. So there are, let's see, 1 pink marble over the same total of 20. So we're going to plug these fractions in, multiply, and then maybe simplify if we can. So we have 5 over 20 for the green. And then the pink is 1 over 20. So let's multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 20 times 20 is 400. And then I think we can simplify here. This 5 is just a 5, and then the 400 ends in a 0, meaning that both are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 400 divided by 5, let's see. 5 goes into 48 times and bring up the last 0. So our odds of this happening, of selecting a green, putting it back, and then selecting a pink, is 1 over 80. Alright, let's look at the next one. What is the probability of selecting a blue, putting it back, which means to replace it, and then selecting another blue? Okay, so since we're going to select 2 blue marbles, we want to set up 2 fractions and multiply them together. The odds of getting a blue is 3 out of the total of 20 marbles. And we're putting it back, meaning the total doesn't change. And then to select another blue would be 3 out of 20. Alright, let's plug in the numbers. So 3 over 20 for the first blue, and then 3 over 20 for the second blue. Remember, we multiply straight across, so 3 times 3 is 9. 20 times 20 is 400. And I do not believe that we can simplify this fraction. 9 is divisible by 3, but 3 won't go into 400. And it's also divisible by 9, and 9 does not go into 400 as well. So we're going to leave it as is. Alright guys, this is compound probability with replacement. Remember, replacing means to put something back and the total does not change. Thank you guys for watching.